dear.
Oh, Yankupon, Mamma Horde.
Near me,
Bibiaboko.
Okay. Mamma Pepper, Quam Famana, Afi, Diacano Tujana, young Credum Cacantina, Mamma Pepper, Quam Caca, na Andy Costa and Sasia, and for Amana, William Sanada, UEFA Champions League, matches Nibi Eto Jadia Beta, Jetiani and Komaka Quanada, Mensaka, Benfica, Kodabaqua, and Nada or Wanu Esa can say, Among Fasa, Ebony Disa, na Mamma call Sandro Martinez. One of your Manchester United player, reporter Mensaka, yes, a Basso that didn't come out, Bassa for Efisa, woman Alessandro Martinez, at Debuta, Ebetimia Boya, a Jumani Yapa, and Tiacomunion, Pau Kubasi, Nankateso Muya Jumana, and Kabibia Bekoe Kamapanatas, Etimi Abominti reporter, Mensa Eka as a Bassa, Edin Kobo, and so I was woman Alessandro Martinez, one so more Tidia, Sakudana, Manchester United, no, one said them Philisa, Ebio, no, Betwasonia, and next challenge Bia, one some Ebetimia Conti, Mansa Sata, so we didn't come out, I was a Bia, Bia to me every pair, a Bantan Betime Adjane, Bassa Bobocona, and no, I a reporter, Mensa Eka, I would media so, not mad they say, women have 3 reasons, Nanko Moya, Gidia Bessa, a Bantan Daddy Vitia, and you like so Betimania, no Effie, PSG better, Niamo Matitino, Bibiata Sakudano, Dantanko Babiano, Webetimiano, so many this summer cra, Ebia, Efi, Nesia Econo, Webetimania Kudan because Akudawe, Yas secret, when PSG Dinkomo, Nasa private convona, when the PSG are having, was it, Wakata PSG says, Sikabiaba, na Edru Aya 100 million euros, and also 100 million euros, Wanu Oba Professor, and PSG for Bejana Manako, now a copy new challenge, Nafi, where they were case in the ACTF, and he has a man the 40 or 7 so there be sent here, and here a dear Emuya there, and near 1. Number 2, sir, yes, it's here PSG, and the man did my uncle Fano, a quenemy pa, Nasa Akalafi, Anna Fiontino Perez, yes, so Moncomo Mudino, she said, your Muntamu Wakama, not the name of Munyo, okay, a European Super League, no, she says Super League is, no, woman who is pulling a sibida, and he, Obaka, Nano Daquano, Nasa Kalafi Kwaba Bacasa, Muamu Madrid, so Melusuno, and Mobian Casa, some of the Madrid, Elusia football, and Edin Kudim, reporter Mensaka, sir, yes, a Madrid, the France, your mother says, Sano, Sion Kofana Bentino, a bit me a Bomania Brantani deal, Eddie Vitinha, one player, at the Emma Portugal, Sadatino, Wamutasa, Abantan and Casa, Adjepenia, Wajatum, so Oyen new challenge, Essence, Wabo friendly Gano, Bibi won't be able to say when Yanasa, Wadi Champions League, Wadi Aya Yakansa, Coupe de France, Anna Wadi League, Nibia Sidina, so Sisia Bia de France, Biama, I had Aya DBS, Elman and Nibre, and to the pay a new air challenger, and we are Madrid, a former Kate at the Aba, I would to so Cristiano Ronaldo, Sisiana, I can't just 35 goals to Pep, not 1,000 goals, no, I go we hard, not 1,000 goals, no, open area your season and so on. Yenya Mbonye anti isa the chama no where competitive matches Cristiano Ronaldo 965 goals and Ronaldo ase aka 35 goals na 1,000 goals now also openo Ronaldo atimenya ani yankobaka kwa mensaka ewo tumade so na sani goals na also no ukọ Saudi Pro League nima yesi team bia wasia no bia no Ronaldo ase no wasia team mako 24 ebu bako pe no Ronaldo entimi say ebu 23 de Ronaldo asobia and the team and the Eddie Batten reporter Mensaka I saw mo pen aka say Ronaldo ebe so na tese jano I kama de Cristiano Ronaldo afiero Santos and I reporter if you saw the Pro League no Eddie Eba e wodumade so a and now no pay me kete Eddie ama yaso kwa anasa eba no goal scoring to a different clubs sisia chama and ehodu atese more clubs a single player and see some of the atese abante and on so edin nkwia and yansam kuto kwanom a reporter ja eba e wodumade so na eno na no pay reporter Mensaka yati south say Ronaldo goes here o say Chelsea ani ho ya de aja de la baba ade na mfa omo hedia Liam de la boy na pa nya de sa kwa no ebetimi aboa de oya say we adwuma kakra aye João Pedro wono so e wo ma ho be usana wakoda kakra fe na Chelsea wototo niama ne ade ente enti reporter mensaka say wobu taso munya Cristiano Ronaldo na che Ronaldo bebo papa na Ronaldo betuma che goals ni dia ene why not anka Chelsea say anko betuma nya abante no womu se akwan mpona sanka say Saudi Pro League ni ko wonya wodu su be free ho anko baka kwa mensaka say Chelsea betuma the next option edema Cristiano Ronaldo by then once a time of Manchester United akonom Tomatucho ya ana tese wa makwaya mankanya sa anka yakofa no edne eba ebeta ade no anso ansada mfa no Cristiano Ronaldo dia efina kache eba ewodwumade so ne yekache kakra ede ama wonche shahodo so na mepato Tottenham Hotspur waso manya new ownership ameta se me baba kato se openya ne dia de Covington wono ana ebese Daniel Levy anan ateso oba be fa team no wono na eye aduma no na omo was sporting director openya ne dia de Johan Large na Johan Large say yanka mo bi anta se sisi na omo baba ye restructuring na omo wogidie pass squad no so omo ye squad overhaul say omo ye squad rebuilding and by summer and say nyame amafie na omo ko relegation na eba ha adwene beta omo timi avoid relegation na and omo betenyi players papa eno ayankoba kakwa Johan Large enso ediba ewodwumade so na no pa make kire edema na once timi yankasa yesu ko England and also open big tough teams up womo ewo Premier League nima yesi team we say no womo na omo ye team omo sikasem ewo from ye pa omo wedis ewo from omo na omo players akatua ewo from ye pa na wuta ko makatua kra em say half of Manchester United dia waka abom and somewhere around 222 million pounds ano any omo wedis for omo players and Manchester there now 400 and something kra and which means half of their Manchester and the omo players no and not just Tottenham players in it and to omo so mbe over ho na fe woman with the way near man be siako and here reporter mensaka e wodwumade so Pedri Gonzalez Barcelona player abrante we say player on person oni ni besia na kwese woni ni banta e o mirikatuo ho abrante de dia de Vinicius Junior was it Vinicius Junior woni Pedri say Vinicius 2 times faster than ono Pedri and to do on pese woni abrante no kwa be sha one on one say wo ma fa ball the boss na wono kwa kwakye da what me kwa dem 2 times wo 3 times faster at say speed ni was no penti Vinicius Junior there woni ni boba bomba say Vinicius 9 cabo esanse 9 cabo obemo waso ISE pa Benzema reporter mensaka say chairman ni plan no be hajne obekwa nim kakra at as a 4 to 3 weeks and son be abanted babaka wababak and no nkwa adawasari say we pra and afe womo wabanted din adi ayatambati wonu su say plenty no sisiano okọ womutim no ma and man said anya kama and so fa mama no your report so efi Hilal akate adi eba ewodwumade so na no pe make kate adi ama Andy Costa adi trending.
Okay, yeah, trust right now, young fast stories, maybe MT. For ina show no so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na mame fanto no say Andra UEFA Champions League matches eba so na we second leg playoff num ye boss say be kwame nyame ya doma Friday round of 16 draw aba so na fe ye won say the parents no ebesiako na the ten say Andra matches eba so UEFA Champions League no mame fanto no say Andra Atalanta team atena fie Jewish Stadium Bergamo wo me share 4 Borussia Dortmund kanu bako na Atalanta game Andra Basu Elfiano, a striker fans Gianluca Scamacca, and the cancer first goal, Edma Atalanta, and what David Zapacosta at the second goal ever so, Emma Mario Pasalic, ever bought third goal, after Karim Adeyemi, ever take Kanabako, Edma Borussia Dortmund, and Sana Yebe game no, a 90+8, and a Serbia, who my brand and Lazar Samazage, at the penalty, a shell 4 goal, Edma Tima, Jafram said Atalanta, now over here last week, first leg so Germany no team from said Dortmund woman trefi HL2 Emma Atalanta Antimante and Atalanta over tennis score line no goma qualify round of 16 4-3 on aggregate elsewhere Turin and I say elsewhere team from said Juventus woman trefi Turin woman so HL3 Emma Galatasaray woman take Canumino na the tense Manuel Lucatelli at the penalty HL third goal Emma Juventus and what Federico Gatti at the second goal ever saw so Emma Weston McKinney about third goal eti Andra about 90 minutes na Juventus ache Galatasaray by 3-0 first leg ebaso e take no obeka Galatasaray wo mutrefi ache 5-2 edi tie Juventus eti Andra game no travel here edi ko extra time minimum extra time no 105 minutes plus 1 and a Victor Osimhen eti kanabako edi ma Galatasaray and afi abante fa say Yelmas edi second goal ebaso so edi ma Galatasaray team no eti me kasa Galatasaray gomo so abuki omo take it gomo ko round of 16 our UEFA Champions League 7-5 on aggregate and which mami fanto wonim say Andra El Parc de Prince Paris Saint-Germain etrafie gomo share 2 ama AS Monaco gomo so share 2 na the ten say abrantia Jefferson Magnus Agliut and a share first goal and my away side the from say Monaco and which Makios ever take an animal Paris Saint-Germain and my abrantia first Kivicha Kwalaskelia at the second goal ever so na the test yebe game no and abrantia first Thursday ever take an animal Monaco team na and na game about so El Parc de Prince no equate 2-2 name the ten say Paris Saint-Germain aggregate score line 5-4 on their qualify at the core round of 16 Real Madrid at Tenerife El Santiago Bernabeu gomisha 2 Emma Benfica gomiti kanibako na the ten say Rafael Silva and the cash first goal and my away side from Benfica and watch Aurelien Chouameni ebenya equalizer and son of Vinicius Junior enya winning goal and my team je from Real Madrid na Chelsea Madrid team no goma se team from Benfica home and away 3-1 on aggregate Madrid and so qualify at the core round of 16 na no pay no yere won sempina ema tiefo nyina el show no so na mame fanto nim se so far yenya team se ama qualify and they call round of 16 UEFA Champions League now the things that only say team from Arsenal go qualify and watch your Bayern Munich after Liverpool Tottenham Hotspur after team from FC Barcelona your Chelsea Sporting CP Manchester City Real Madrid and watch team from Paris Saint-Germain your Newcastle United Atletico Madrid Atalanta after Bayer for Leverkusen Galatasaray anybody glimpse where 16 teams are qualify at the core round of 16 UEFA Champions League now another pay report I mean second and it's for the first time UEFA Champions League no yenya 16 omoko round of 16 omunyina every the same country na chesa since 1992 I change UEFA Champions League no je ten say yenya team bia and I say yenya country bia jedu round of 16 UEFA Champions League ma teams mako 6 everywhere Premier League anya 6 je ten say your Arsenal and what ubanya team from say Newcastle United your Tottenham Hotspur Chelsea Man City and for Liverpool and what La Liga etos me no one our 3 teams your Atletico Madrid Real Madrid and for FC Barcelona afa oko German Bundesliga women 2 teams Bayer for Leverkusen and for Bayern Munich afa Serie A A1 Atalanta team no oko Liga and your France yenya team from say Paris Saint-Germain goma qualify and watch Portugal enya 1 Sporting CP afa the tennis Okonoya, woman so enya 1 team and a border glimter and after Galatasaray, woman so also a free Omaya from set taken on a pino. Jerome Sempina Emma Tifoina El Shono so na record bebre atoja, wouldn't say Andra Rena Madrid every year. I'll qualify at the round of 16. Just in the history of UEFA Champions League. Madrid pa and I qualified to do and the round of 16 UEFA Champions League 30 times Bayern Munich atos me no 28 times Barcelona atos me and 25 times after Man United also and 19 times Chelsea also almost 19 Juventus ato 18 and waji Arsenal 18 and FC Porto almost 17 and no pay no yero sempina ematifo nya el show no so na say yakora of 16 UEFA Champions League so far who are top scorers now Kylian Mbappe and the Dika was 13 goals and watch Anthony Gordon about Newcastle United or 10 goals Hurricane at 8 Ellen Haaland L7 and of Victor Osimhen one so L7 goals and another pay yero some ematifo nya el show no so now already many can catch senior me adma Friday and a run of 16 UEFA Champions League no Barcelona the 10 senior me adma Friday say and a draw ebesiako wonu se Real Madrid team no 2 teams and a Madrid ebetimesi ho bako Sporting CP and after Baku Man City after Paris Saint-Germain either say Omesia Barca and I said Chelsea Galatasaray women so either say Omesia Liverpool and I said Tottenham Hotspur Atalanta Ebesia Bayern and I said team from the Arsenal Newcastle United either say Omesia Barca and I said Chelsea after Atletico Madrid either say Omesia Liverpool and I said Tottenham Hotspur your Bayer or for Leverkusen either say Omesia Arsenal and I said team from the Bayern and after Bodo Glimt Omesia Sporting CP and I said team from the Man City and Anopai Yara won some MT for your own show so na Andra Abrantia fan say Vinicius Junior Eshe go and my team from Real Madrid na enano pay report am seka and say Real Madrid abakosemuno group players are wo ma more goals e wo UEFA Champions League say Abrantia fan say Vinicius Junior abatoso insia 32 goals and Vinicius I say UEFA Champions League num and Real Madrid na the tosunum Ferran Puskas 35 goals your Alfredo Di Stefano was 49 Raul Gonzalez Blanco SS66 Karim Benzema SS78 and of all-time top scorer UEFA Champions League and Real Madrid Cristiano Ronaldo was 105 goals and Real Madrid nano payno jare update for you so na mama Nigeria my black team fans Victor Osimhen under Osimhen adwuma pa na Ochego and my Juventus Jeremy second say go Africa na open African players go ma say more goals knockout stage UEFA Champions League say Abrante fans Victor Osimhen go ba toso enson na jodi kan Sadio Mane is 15 goals Didier Drogba 14 Mohamed Salah 12 Samuel Eto'o is 10 Riyad Mahrez 7 Emmanuel Adebayo is 7 and after Victor Osimhen one show assist 6 goals now Victor Osimhen equal Galatasaray now go ba juma pa unse so far 65 matches Victor Osimhen abo and Galatasaray now go 53 goals where 13 assists now just a 66 goal contribution in 65 games and around defense Victor Osimhen na ando ye poor game Osimhen ekasai was said na omupe game omanya sa nemo obo Juventus for na baso nemo na nia jepa se ando Galatasaray go qualify round of 16 why Victor Osimhen
gave some kind of sense of relief, but I have to be honest with you, I'm disappointed in the performance of the team. I mean the whole team, and I have to give kudos to Juventus for the kind of display that they put on. And yeah, we qualify, but I think we have a lot to improve on if we are to go into the next round and play the big dogs. I think yeah, this performance today was not really good. I think Juventus deserved the win, but I'm happy for my team to qualify for the next round.
Okay, we Nigeria, Brantino Sinankai, and Galatasaray, I'll take your fans, Victor Osimhen, and I will take Osimhen, Casa or Casano. Now, you could Juventus, Essence, say Juventus, and Madembo, our UEFA Champions League, and Koyakra. Would have said since 2019-2020 season. Team from Juventus and me and qualify and quarter finals. UEFA Champions League. Not just a was a year pa. Nimum another parent report I'm in second and said Juventus Penifono, a GDA pass a first like and a normal uncle Ama Juventus. Going to man qualify uncle round of 16. At the Omo GDA or manager Jefferson Luciano Spalletti. Omo GDA or the Muye pa. Not director of football. Edma Juventus Jojo Keleni and another pay Jojo Keleni say your fan to be any woman Luciano Spalletti Evertonase. One person almost turning a contract and a man anti Ange and Comodia ever between Juventus and a manager Fancy Luciano Spalletti and on a pay everyone's him and a team for your show so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Now the tennis Mame Luis Enrique one of manager and my team from say Paris Saint-Germain. Na Pierre for no American Kajro say either say Omesia Bansa and I say Tima je from say Chelsea manager Fancy Luis Enrique Zomo woman defending champions women's Robia Basamra Chelsea Mra woman ready we
next round Chelsea or Barcelona. How much better are your team going to have to be if you're going to take the game to them and knock them out?
Every round is different. We are ready to play against any team because we are used to play those kind of difficult matches, and Barcelona Chelsea it's going to be great.
Okay, and oil Luis Enrique, Paris Saint-Germain manager, and our think has a one Paris Saint-Germain Mutimina Dawano. I'm saying Manchester, I can see a crown Mutimi boy. It's almost a Chelsea bar, Nasa Barca Eba, Paris Saint-Germain, I ready. And no, I am some Kaka Luis Enrique, and two Janano Pano. Yada wants some Emma Tiafoina El Show, so live on Nhyira 104.5 MT Gabi.
And it was that. Welcome, Mary. Money Duma. Money Dumana, the way we see and also Epa Chairman's own Strubia, Unstru Chelsea, Unstru Barcelona. Okay, until we the Baza for the idea now for Nemo. At the end of this year, between Newcastle and PSG. And I say Barca and Chelsea in a Barco. Meme de may PSG for Chelsea. Me pe die na. For the your mama Barca, Newcastle. For Anna, one anchor pay the same.
Oh, me company Newcastle.
Open Newcastle boom.
For 2 reasons.
Back me say.
One, you know more England want you travel, baby.
Okay.
Second one, you experience our Champions League with Newcastle.
Sir. Yes, experience Yana and go for the boy.
Go for experience, baby.
Newcastle for you. No more bad than
the Premier League.
A blood and then your boy.
Champions League football a different crowd.
Sir. Yeah. And think how they won't pay. Okay. And but also so now what they Eddie about between PSG and Newcastle. We are Barca fan out there and we are Chelsea so far now. What per there Hineja yetimi akwe nim saneno etimi abo I your number one account radio station the Asante man adi 2 minutes